everyone, check it out, the new Haloblk number series. So what makes this absolutely unique is the fact that you can put any two numbers here, any two digits you want, and any one or two lines of text. And then here we got these center caps with like this anodized look to it, and you know, being red, wasn't sure how that was really going to go. What I have done here too is decided to take the front one off. Why not? I've got the red calipers here that kind of goes with the red center caps over here, and you know, they go on and off so quickly. Clearly we got to do something about this. Ah, look at that.